Hi everyone, Anthony Morganti here. Once a year, I do a video where I go over all of the different Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals being offered by the companies that I'm affiliated with. This video tends to be very popular because quite often the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales from these companies are their largest sales of the year. So this is a great opportunity for you to save as much money as possible. So today I'm going to go over all the sales being offered by companies I'm an affiliate for, and I'm going to talk about one company and one product that I'm not an affiliate, I'm the owner. Specifically, if you go to my website, anthonymorganti.com, you'll notice that I have a number of products for sale. One of those products is called Ultimate Lightroom Classic Training. It sells for $99. It's a complete course on Lightroom Classic. It has over 60 videos. Each of those videos has a downloadable PDF outline. There are files that I use in the videos that you could download and work along at home. And the course is dynamic. By that, I mean I'm always adding to it. When Adobe adds something new to Lightroom or changes something about Lightroom, I will do a video on it and add it to the course. The course is divided up into a number of sections, and it's set up in such a way so that you don't have to worry if you're, say, brand new to Lightroom or if you have some experience in Lightroom. The course is set up so that it should be able to help everyone. For example, if you're brand new to Lightroom, just jump down to the section called Quick Start. Here are a number of videos that will help you get up and going in Lightroom Classic as quickly as possible. If, on the other hand, you have some experience in Lightroom, but let's say you never use the tone curve. Well, you could jump down to the Develop module section and watch the video on the tone curve, or maybe the Effects module, or maybe some detail tab denoise. You want to learn about that. Or maybe you're not too familiar with masking. You could go to the masking section and learn that there. And again, each of the videos has a PDF download. Now, the course sells for $99 during the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. I'm offering $30 off. There's a discount code that you'll use in the shopping cart. It's Black Friday 2023. I'll have that listed in the description below this video. Now, let's talk about products from the companies I'm an affiliate for. And before I begin, I want to mention what it means when I'm an affiliate. When I'm an affiliate for a company, I basically promote their product. And because I promote their product, if you click on a link I supply and or use a promo code to save some money that I supply, I will make a commission on the sale. The commission varies. For some companies, it could be just a few percent, and for other companies, it could be as much as like 25%. So it can be a rather significant boost to my income. So full disclosure, I want you to realize that I will be making money off the sales when you use my links and promo codes. I'll have everything linked in the description below this video. So if you do want to support my channel, please go down to the description, find the product you're interested in, click on that link, use the promo code if I have one available for it, and save your money. It won't cost you any more by doing it that way, obviously, and you'll be able to save a substantial amount of money, and you'll be supporting my YouTube channel, and I thank you very much. Now let's start out with the first company. It's called ACDC. I only have done a few videos on this product, mainly because they're mainly a Windows photo editor. They do have a Mac photo editor. You can see right up here at the top, they have it on sale, Photo Studio for Mac 10 for $69.95. The sale ends November 22nd, which happens to be tomorrow. Now, I would imagine they're going to have a Black Friday sale immediately following this sale, so you may want to wait a day or two to see if that sale is bigger. But the main reason, though, I haven't done a lot of videos on it is because they really have this product for Mac, but their Windows product is actually much better. So if you're a Windows user, download their free trial and try out their Windows version, ACDC Photo Studio Ultimate 2024 or Professional 2024. From what I've seen, I've never used it because I don't own a Windows computer, but from what I've seen, the product is really fantastic, and their Mac stuff is good too. It just seems to be a generation or two behind the Windows version. I suspect they develop it for Windows and then they port it over to Mac later. And the Mac version is always lagging their Windows version. So you could check it out. And again, if you are a Windows user, definitely come over here and try their free trial. I was and am impressed with their Mac version. It just seems odd to me that they don't keep it on level with the Windows version. It's always a little bit behind. So again, I'll have a link to them in the description of this video. If I have a promo code, I'll have that listed as well. And the promo codes I supply, they may or may not work when the product is on sale. For example, I know for a fact that the promo code I'll be giving you for Excire, or no, I'm sorry, not Excire. The promo code that I'm giving you for Luminar Neo will work on it when it's on sale. But the promo code I'll be giving you for OnOne doesn't work when it's on sale. So give it a try, though. It won't hurt. All right, so there's ACDC. The next is the big one, Adobe, of course, Lightroom, Photoshop, and so on. When you click through their website, you can see at the very top, there's a banner. Black Friday is on. Save over 40% on Creative Cloud apps for individuals, students, businesses. Ends November 24th. You click here to see the offers, and then it will show you the different offers. If you're a student, you should definitely take advantage of this. If you're an individual, there are just, some sales here for you as well, 50% off on Creative Cloud apps. You can get 10 free Adobe stock images if you subscribe to Adobe stock. If you're a small business, there's a deal for you as well. So you could click through. Again, just go to adobe.com or use the link in my description below. Go up here and then click on See Offers to see what Adobe is offering. Next is DxO. DxO is the parent company for the Nik collection, DxO Photo Lab 7, DxO Pure Raw 3. I've done videos on all three of those products. DxO Film Pack 7, I've never done a video on that, and DxO Viewpoint 4. I've done one video on Viewpoint 4. You can see that's all their products. They're all on sale. So again, I'll have a link to their products in the description of this video. I don't think I have a promo code for them, but I'll double check. And if I do, I'll have that listed in the description below this video as well. Next is Excire. They make, search tools. They make Excire Foto, which is kind of a digital asset manager, and it helps you search and organize your images. And then they make a plugin for Lightroom called Excire Search. Excire Search works great with Lightroom Classic, and it helps you find your images very quickly. I do not see any sale here at all. Now, they are a German company. I'm not sure they're going to take part in this, big kind of sale thing that we have here in North America. But if they do, it should appear here. Again, I'll have a link to this website. I do have a promo code for them. So I'll list that promo code there so you could save some money, even if they don't have a sale. Next is McPaul. I really only promote one product on McPaul, CleanMyMac X. It's the only non-photography product that I promote. It's a great application. It's funny, as I'll do a video, like one video every 3 months on CleanMyMac. And when I do, for like weeks, I get people thanking me how it fixed their computer. They had issues, and CleanMyMac was able to fix it. So, again, they have free, downloads on it, so you could try it out. I encourage you to try it out. I think I have a promo code for them. I don't see any sale yet here, but historically they have had Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales. They just haven't announced it yet. But I have a link here, and hopefully when you get here, their sale is on, and hopefully my promo code will work on top of their sale to save you even more money. All right, next is Luminar Neo. You can see there's a Black Friday sale here, up to 85% off. If you click on the left-hand side, View Plans, you'll see the different plans. They have it so you can pay monthly, or you could just buy it and you'll own it for like a couple of years. They have like a perpetual license. That's the typical old way of buying software, like one-time purchase down here. You would just buy it and you own it, and it works forever until your computer crashes or something, right? It'll work forever. Or they have the more kind of, I don't want to say modern, but the way a lot of software manufacturers are trying to sell software nowadays in that you buy it, it will work for a year or two or a month, and then you have to then buy it again. The advantage of doing it that way, though, is you always have the latest version. The disadvantage of a one-time purchase is if you buy it, they come out with a new version every year. So in a year, your version's old and you're not going to get any updates. In 2 years, it's very old. You're definitely not getting any updates. You have to buy it again. This way, you just keep buying it all the time and you always have the latest version. So it's really up to you. It really comes down to a budgetary thing. People don't have the money to spare every month, or at least a larger amount, like $119 a year, every 2 years, it says here. So it's up to you. I'll have this link again in the description. I do have a promo code for them, and I did test it before I did this video, and it's working, and it saves you 10% more off the price of whatever the sale price is. So check that out. OcuDrone, those are the skies that I think are the greatest skies on the market. I talked to Rob very recently. He is going to be, I think, later today. I don't want to put any pressure on him. But I think later today he's introducing a new sky pack, and he's going to have a bonus sky pack as well. And all that will be listed here when he has it ready. I have a promo code for them that will save you quite a bit of money, and I'm going to have that listed in the description below this video as well. So if you're interested in skies, so you could use an application like Neo or Photoshop or On1 Photo Raw to automatically replace the sky with one of your skies, don't even shop. Just go right here and get Rob's skies. These are the best sky images on the market, period. There's none that I've seen better. All right, so that's OcuDrone. Next is OnOne. OnOne just recently released, the new version, On1 Photo Raw 2024. I've been messing around with it. It is unbelievably good. They have a Black Friday sale. You can see it as soon as you get here. And you can get the Black Friday deal by clicking on this button right here. And then you'll have different versions. Again, they have it so you can buy it outright or you could rent it and stuff like that. I did check. My promo code, at least when I checked, wasn't working, but I'll have it listed in the description below this video anyway. And you could see that if you could save more, you could see you're saving. If you're buying it, you've never used it before, it's typically $199.99. You're saving $50 during the Black Friday deal. You'll get it for $149.99. I had a discount code, which was like, I think, another 10% off. If that would work, that would help. But I'll have it listed anyway. You could give it a try. So that's On1 Photo Raw 2024. Next is Radiant Photo. I've done some videos on Radiant Photo, not a whole lot, but it's good software. I like it. I like some of the things it does. They have the try button here. The Black Friday deal, you have to kind of search for it. It's up here in the top toolbar. You can see Black Friday bundle, save 75%. If you click on it, you'll see that it's an actual bundle of all their products. Radiant Photo, ViewBug Platinum, and MyLeo Photos Plus, which is kind of like here, we'll go right here. It's a privacy first digital hub for lifetime of memories, Curate, protect, and share your photos with peace of mind. It's regularly $99. ViewBug membership, all access pass to the premium community of creators with contests, challenges, and rewards. So if you're into that, you could get that. Plus, you get Radiant Photo, which is typically $179, and you'll get it all for $99. Again, I'll have a link to this to it in the description of this video. I'm not sure if I have a discount or a promo code for them, but if I do, I'll have it listed as well. And if I do, I'm not 100% sure it will work during the sale, but give it a try. Topaz Labs. Topaz Labs, of course, one of my favorite companies. They have some of my favorite products, including, Sharpen AI, Photo AI, Gigapixel AI, Denoise AI, sorry, and so on. Now, to get their Black Friday deal, when you go to their website, you go down here to this banner at the bottom, and you can see it's Black Friday, up to 60% off. Shop details, click there, and you can see there are their sales, and you could go through and see if there's something here you want. You can see they have a lot of bundles of different things. If you're into video, you may want their video AI. If you're not into video, make sure you pick a bundle that doesn't include that, and you can go through and see. Unfortunately, I do not have a promo code for them. We used to have promo codes, but they got rid of them all for any of us affiliates that used to have them, so they no longer work. So unfortunately, I can't save you any more money with Topaz Labs Photo AI. And bringing up the rear, last but certainly not least, is Peak Design. Peak Design, of course, makes backpacks, tripods, straps. I mainly use them for their straps. I like their straps a lot. Probably my favorite strap ever, and I use that a lot. I've never owned their backpack. I've seen their tripod, but it seems excellent, but it's not something that I need, so I didn't buy it. But their bags look well made too. So their Black Friday sale, if you go to their website, you can see this moving banner across the top, and it has a time countdown. If you click on that, you'll be brought to all their Black Friday deals. You could see their tripod. It's normally $600. You could get it for $419.96. Some of their backpacks are on sale. Some of their mobile stuff's on sale. And then they have categories, stuff that's 30% off, stuff that's 20% off, 15% off, 10% off. So again, that will be linked in the description of this video. I'm pretty sure I don't have a promo code for them, but I'll double check, and if I do, I'll have it listed. So again, I'm an affiliate for these companies. If you buy anything from them and you use my link and or promo code, it will get linked to me. So then the company pays me a spiff. Basically, they give me a commission on your sale. And that really does help me kind of be able to make the videos and get the equipment I need to make the videos. Like, for instance, the microphone I'm talking in, the computer I'm looking at, and stuff like that. That all, helps me get the things needed so that I can do the videos to help you with your photography. And I do appreciate everyone who does support my channel by using my affiliate links. I really do appreciate it. Now, again, one final plug. Again, my Ultimate Lightroom Classic training is on sale during the Black Friday, Cyber Monday period for $30 off. The discount code is Black Friday 2023. Again, I'll have that listed in the description of this video, and you can just copy and paste it. Thank you, everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. Talk to you guys soon.